Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect AutoPro X to car. In the beginning, make sure that the car has projection installed on the screen display. Next, make sure to connect this device to power USB port. Not connection, but power. Now, when it's powered on and connected, instead of projection, you should have Android Auto. Sometimes you don't have to click anything, simply the screen from this device goes on the screen display of the car. Tap on Android Auto, and as you can see, we've entered this menu. Now simply select Android Auto and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.